Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Raj. I am from M3G section PGPM batch 2024-26. Today I am going to cover the topic the struggles of India's MSME sector. India's micro, small and medium enterprises, the MSME sector, is the backbone of our economy, contributing nearly 30% to the GDP and employing over 110 million people. MSMEs are crucial for economic growth. Yet they face two major challenges funding constraints and digital transformation gaps. So, what's being done to tackle this issue and what more can we do? Let's dive in. Small businesses often struggle to get loans from banks due to high collateral requirements, lengthy paperwork, and low credit ratings. In fact, the credit gaps in the MSME sector is estimated to be over $300 billion. We want to go digital, but many of us lack awareness, paper infrastructure, and the skills needed to adopt new technologies. There are few policy reforms and the government initiatives which are taken care to address these challenges. Let's take a look at a few key ones. The first one is Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme, which is also known as ECLGS. It was launched during COVID-19. This scheme has provided MSMEs with much needed collateral free loans, helping them survive tough times. Second one, which we are going to discuss, is Mudra loans. The Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana provide loans up to 10 lakhs to the small businesses with minimal paperwork. The third one is Udyam Portal and Credit Guarantee Fund Scheme. Udyam registration simplifies access to formal credit, while CGTMSC offers collateral-free loans to MSMEs. The last one is Digital Transformation Support. Schemes like Digital MSMEs and Champions Portal help small businesses adopt digital tools, e-commerce, and automation. So while these steps are commendable, more needs to be done. Like what we can focus on in the near future. The first one is easier credit access, like expanding alternative financial options like fintech based lending, peer to peer lending, and more government backed loan schemes for the SMS growth. The second one is a stronger digital infrastructure, encouraging MSMEs to adopt AI, cloud computing, and digital payment solutions with proper training and incentives is definitely going to help. The third one is better financial literacy and training, like workshops and courses to educate MSMEs on managing finance, improving credit worthiness, and using government support schemes is one of the strong parameter which is going to help. The last one is public private partnership, like collaborating with corporates, banks, and the startups to build a strong ecosystem for MSMEs. I think all these factors are going to help MSMEs to grow in the future and pave a good path for MSMEs. Now, the future of India's MSME sector lies in the bridging these fundings and digital gaps with the right policies, better awareness, and innovative solutions. MSMEs can truly drive India's economic growth. Now, I would like to left you all with the question: what do you think? How can India further support its small businesses? Please share your thoughts. Thank you.